Just make myself look even more of a douchebag.
Rockstar lifestyle, might don't make it. Waste, living life, everyday click, waste, sipping.
Yo, first of all, how are y'all doing, man? Now, I know you're wondering a couple of things. First of all, Alex, why do you look like a total douchebag right now? And why were you holding some Hennessy in your hand in that lame intro? Well, how can I put this? I'm 21, mother. And today, I thought, why not make a video on how to make a beat, but with a twist. Now, what right do we have to unlock in the United States when we turn 21? What is that? What are we allowed to do? We're allowed to drink alcohol, because I've never drank alcohol before in my life. But yeah, anyway, we're about to make a beat. Here's what I'm gonna do. Every single time that I make a mistake, so like that means put down the wrong note for the hi-hat, or put down the wrong note for like melody or snare or something, I gotta take a shot. So we got a Hennessy right here, we got a shot glass right here, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. Alright, so if you guys are ready, don't forget to slap that like button. Alright, I'm not starting the video so you like the video, and subscribe. Like, what do you do? Like, I know you're not subscribed. Like, subscribe. Like, what do you, like, stop watching the video, scroll down and subscribe right now. Like, I'm not playing no more. Did you do it? Alright, but alright, so let's get into this. So I'm on my computer right now. I'm a bit nervous. I must say, I'm a bit nervous. Alright, let's do this melody. And this means now that when I'm making the melody, you guys, I can't skip it now, because you know what? Let's just do this. Alright, I'm gonna change the rules. So every time I delete a note, I take a shot. So yeah.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Let's continue. Oh boy. Oh my. I have to take a shot already. No way. I really have to. Oh my god. Oh my god. I already have to. Alright. Just. We're gonna do this. Alright.
Really, nigga?
Right. I'm gonna take a shot. Glasses off for this, because you guys need to see my full reaction. Oh boy. Oh god. Here goes on, guys. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, this is gonna be a long video. Guys, I'm not built for this. Alright, I'm a lightweight, so this video is gonna get really interesting really quickly. Alright, okay, so we got that melody. I got an idea. I got another one. I got another idea. So we're gonna. Oh my god, don't you dare tell me I'm already getting drunk. Jesus Christ. No, I'm good. Alright, so I have an idea of the sound for melody. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. This is gonna be the longest video I've ever done. Oh my god. Well, you know, guys, first of all, don't try this at home, okay? Because I know some of y'all are not 21, so do not try this at home, okay? I just turned 21 today, so yeah. I'm just gonna do this. Oh god. Guys, I don't even like alcohol. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't even like alcohol, okay? I'm a good boy. I'm a God-fearing child, okay? Alright, well. Fuck's sake. Let's do this. Oh my god. Let's just get this video over with, please. Instead of using Omnisphere, I'm gonna go on Nexus and see what sounds I can get with that. I don't have a counter melody, so I'm gonna look for one in or make one with a piano in Nexus. So oh my god. Oh, looks like we're going again. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot. Alright, you guys. Bombs away. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, you guys, so I got my melody. Feeling a little tipsy, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you guys what the melody sounds like. It's alright. Keep in mind I'm under the influence right now, so it's not gonna sound as good as you hope. Alright, let's go. It's alright, you know what I'm saying? It's decent. I mean, I think it could be better. Keep in mind, I didn't really mix it at all. Didn't teach you anything, so just keep that in mind. But don't worry, we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna add the drums right now. I'm probably gonna modify the bells a little bit. They were kind of loud. It sounded like they were clashing. So we're going to do that later. And now let's roll the drum. What drums am I gonna do? Let's start with the 808. We're gonna go do the hi-hats, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So come with me. Here are the hi-hats. And alright, yeah, that's what it sounds like so far, but we're gonna see what we can do. Oh my god. Guys, deleted another note, so that means I have to take another shot. Yay, another shot of Henny. Awesome. Oh my god. I really don't like drinking, guys. Oh god. Oh my god. I just licked a drop and I almost gagged. I licked a drop of it and I almost gagged. Oh my god. There goes nothing. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. On to the beat. Oh, that was nice. I like that. Promise this is the last one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do better. I've been making too many mistakes, okay?
What did you say, nigga?
I've been making too many mistakes. I've been making too many mistakes. I've been making too many mistakes. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna take this and... Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, alright? 3, 2, 1. Oh my. All right, onto the hi-hats. Oh, no, that's not where I wanted. Not feeling good, guys. Not feeling good. Alright, y'all, so the drums are done. Well, actually, that's not true. The hi-hat and the snare and the clap are done. I have the melody. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like now. Please don't clown me because yeah, this is a Hennessy type beat. Alright, I'm gonna stop. I'm doing too much. Alright, oh my god, that was bad. Alright, let's do the 808s, man. I didn't even do that yet. Let's do the 808s. Okay. This beat sounds terrible. Now we're doing the kick. I think we made something. I think we made something real special. All right. I think we made the very first Hennessy type beat. Okay. This right here, guys, is something special. Okay. I'm gonna go mix this. I'm gonna mix this. All right. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Okay. I don't think you're ready though. I genuinely think you're not ready. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna go mix this. Stay tuned.
Ass, titties, titties, ass and titties. Ass, titties, ass and titties. Ass, titties, titties, ass and titties.
You guys, look, listen up, guys, okay? I think that I have made a pretty alright beat, okay? Especially for being under the influence, okay? And remember, don't try this at home, okay? Don't, if you're not a 21-year-old, don't do this. But anyway, nonetheless, I think we made a banger, guys. You didn't hear me? You didn't hear me? You didn't hear me? I said I think we made a banger, guys. But yeah, man, we about to I'm gonna just show you the beat. All right, thank you so much for watching, and look, guys, subscribe. First Hennessy type beat, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, man, you already know what to do. Like the video, share this with your friends. Like, guys, look, you guys need to share this, all right? Like, this is a very important video. Like, you need to show show the world the first Hennessy type beat. So yeah, I think it turned out good. I don't know because I'm not sober right now, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.